let's talk about a powerful but kind of secret perk that could save you tens of thousands of dollars on your home loan. Seriously, if you're a professional in certain fields, you're going to want to stick around for this one.
So let's start with a problem I'm sure many of you know all too well. You're earning a good income, you're doing all the right things, but trying to scrape together a full 20% deposit for a home in this market? Yeah, it can feel just about impossible. So what actually happens when you can't quite hit that 20% mark? Well, the banks usually slap you with an extra fee, and it's not a small one either. It's a fee that can seriously hold you back. That fee is for something called Lender's Mortgage Insurance, or LMI for short, and this can add thousands, sometimes even tens of thousands of dollars to your upfront costs. Honestly, for a lot of people, it's the biggest single hurdle stopping them from buying a home. Okay, so what in the world is this insurance anyway? Because, there's a massive misunderstanding about who it's actually for.
And here's the part that catches so many people out. You, the person buying the house, are the one who pays for the LMI policy. But does it protect you if things go wrong? Nope. It's a safety net for the bank. And hey, don't just take my word for it. This is straight from the horse's mouth. The banks say it themselves, right in their own documents. It's not buried in the fine print. You pay the premium, they get the protection. It's really that simple.
But what if you could just skip this whole thing? I mean, what if there was a way to just bypass that fee completely? Well, for some professionals, there absolutely is.
You see, banks look at people in certain careers and they see stability. They see a clear career path and really strong income potential down the line. To them, these professionals are just less risky borrowers.
And that's right, the reward is a big one. For professionals who tick their boxes, the bank just waives the LMI fee. It's gone. And this can happen even if your deposit is as low as, say, 5 or 10%. It's a total game changer.
So who gets this special treatment? Who's on the VIP list? Well, the exact jobs do change a little bit between the big banks like ANZ, NAB, or Westpac, but they generally focus on three main areas: the medical, legal, and accounting fields.
Okay, first up, medical professionals. This is a pretty broad category, right? It covers everyone from doctors and surgeons to dentists, vets, and even optometrists. But, and this is important, you've got to pay close attention to the details because the rules can be really specific.
And when I say the details matter, I mean they really matter. Just look at this example from ANZ's policy. A vet is in, but a nurse is out. And check out Pharmacists. They're not eligible here, but they are at other banks. This is exactly why you have to check the current, specific policy for each and every lender.
This amazing perk also extends to senior legal and finance professionals. The key thing here, though, is that you usually need to be a current, card-carrying member of a recognized professional group, like a state bar association or a registered CPA.
All right, so let's get to the fun part. Let's talk about the real-world impact of getting this waiver. I mean, it sounds nice, but how much money are we actually talking about? Well, the numbers, they might just blow you away. Okay, so take a look at this scenario. It's for an $800,000 property with just a 5% deposit. Now, if you get the waiver, that LMI premium is zero. Zilch. But if you don't, whoa, that is a massive extra cost you have to cover.
Over $36,000. Just let that sink in. That's cash you don't have to save, money you don't have to borrow. A huge roadblock, just gone. This could literally let you buy a home years sooner than you thought possible.
Okay, so if you're listening to this and a little light bulb is going off, if you're thinking, hey, that's me, I'm on that list, what do you do next? How do you actually claim this professional advantage? Here's your game plan in 3 simple steps. 1. Confirm you're on a specific bank's list. 2. Understand all their rules around it. But number 3, this one is absolutely the most important. This waiver is not automatic. You have to ask for it. The bank probably won't just offer it to you. You have to be proactive.
And of course, just a quick heads up, remember, this is all general info, right? Any loan is always going to be subject to a full credit check and an assessment of your personal financial situation.
So here's the bottom line. For the right professionals, this LMI waiver isn't just a little discount. It's a massive shortcut into the property market. It could be the difference between buying this year or waiting another 3. The only real question left is, are you one of them?